Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to rewrite the exponentials in logarithmic form. So keep in mind that logarithm with base b of y is equal to x is the equivalent of saying b to the power x equals to y. And so we can use this formula in order to write every single exponential in logarithmic form. So let's start with the first one. In this case, b, the base, is 5, so b equals to 5. In this case, x, or the exponent, is 3, so x equals to 3. And then y, right, the answer is 125. And so all we need to do is plug these values into the logarithmic form to get our answer. So log base b, right? In this case, I'm just going to plug in 5 for b, and then 125 for y, and then 3 for x, and there we go. We have our logarithmic form. And now we just do the same thing for the rest of these. So for part B, looks like our base is 2, so b equals 2 here. Our exponent, or x, is 6, and our answer, y, is 64. So now let's plug that into this equation. Log with base b, in this case 2, of y, 64, is equal to x, the exponent, which is 6, like that. And then also too, once we've done these a few times, we won't actually necessarily need to write out what b equals, x equals, and y equals. I think that can be helpful for starting out, and feel free to do that for as long as you need to. But eventually we'll get to a place where we can just go right from the exponential form right into the logarithmic form. So I'll show that in the next couple examples. All right, so in this case, we have log with the base 10 to the power of 2, right? So the power is the answer, is equal to 100. Now, base 10 is also just the default logarithm, so we could also just write log 100 without writing a base is equal to 2. Now, we can only omit writing the base if the base is 10, because it's assumed that if there is no base specified, the base would be 10. If the base is anything else, though, we must write the base specifically, because otherwise it would be assumed that it was 10, and that would be incorrect in other cases. Okay, next one. Log with our base 7 to the power of 4, right? So 4 is the answer. The answer in logarithmic form is the exponent, is going to be 2401. Actually, let's move this. 2401. There we go. And last but not least, log with a base 9 to the power of the answer, which is 2, is equal to 81. And there we have it. As always, feel free to leave any questions in the comment section, and we'll see you for the next one.